Igbo Kwen kwezeno iyo mana tata bụ the last day Jpac yiri Ogechi Okeke Njaka ojeto ya na alụsisi na ya yere how many days nọ ndụ taa mezuru ya that last day Antoge foshike mana ifugo onwe ike dị n'ukwu osisi so Antoge ka nọ ndụ mana ka ige ya ntị n'onu wee n'ihe ọ chọrọ ikwu gbasara ya bụ ihe ngwa geenụ ntị n'onu ihe ọ chọrọ ikwu.
I nwere how many days left? Ma atụ na anyị na arụsị. Ma atụ na anyị na arụsị. Oge love, how are you? Ma atụrụ anyị na arụsị. We are checking how many here I nwere left. What I go? I need to check how many months I left or days.
J'espère que vous allez bien et moi je vais toujours bien et je suis toujours
How many years I left or how many days Jpac pụtara anyị na-alụsị atụrụ anyị na-alụsị na chicken and my sister on that bag.
Yes. Hello?
Mmiri marugole. Onyeshim. That video I posted, Onyeshim. How the East became this insecure is worrisome. Onwa December never used to be like this. How did this? Okay, Onyekashi, you make and boast this Jpac to sound like one almighty, making him feel popular and important. IPOP could be one of the reasons behind these are areas that are so violent in terms of security in Anambra. Ogechi, are you scared? This are you scared? Now, this is just the beginning. They are waiting for you. You can never go free. I am look at those. Look at an idiot. A man that have been kidnapping for years. The family to get out of poverty. You think say you go pay me now? You go suck your generational blood. Worry unegi. No go look for job. Chomoni the man working. Just chomoni gibuni. Chomoni gibune kashi. Obodo less man show better evidence where you are telling young men to show his arm. And the obodo less man that talking about another man we carry arm no get arm. You see irony of life. The useless obodo less man where they show my contents. Where we are pants they show his amulets. That one is not prohibited. That a full-grown ass man that is married is wearing pants where his armor is so little, and he's busy talking about a man where carry bola passing generation. Are you not stupid? You are no less man, and are you guys not hopeless? Actually, you won't come back to Nigeria and to Igbo land, your home. You are now boasting of Chicago, a foreign land, and from that safety heaven of Chicago, you saga your own people at home. You destroy their names. Come on, fuck you. Chineke bogo. Your own people will beg. Your own people. You just afraid of what you cause. Come on, Susunugi. Keep living well, there. No one come back. Come back. I no go come back. I have said it. I no go come. Ndala. Men in Nigeria. Any of you choro visa no visa. All of you when they in Nigeria, they say come back, come back. Any of you when look for visa to come back, Amato Hamabunu, bring up that one. Chineke no. Live in that place, hello?
Hello, okay.
Yeah,
good morning.
Sir. You're welcome.
I love and respect you for that question. Ijel na church, Jeme wedding. Chose calls so get Jeme no sisi Jpac.
Dala.
Onye mama I expected that guy to make a move that could have saved him, saved his generation, and save whatever he's doing. But because he lacks wisdom, because he lacks sense, he hid himself in one corner of the places that devil have already destined to finish him.
Thank you.
They are telling him, no, my God.
Thank you.
It's so shocking. Somebody kept telling you without fear, with boldness, with courage, you offended me. You offended me. And I don't know why we have such empty people everywhere. At the end of it, everybody is coming up at Ogechi Njaka. Ndị kacha ewute mbụ ndị nwere right isi Ogechi nye ha nọta Nigeria. Why na ha ndị na-ebu ndị Igbo na Igbo? They've not told them, they've not gone to the forest and wiped them out. Ogechi, who has gotten herself so busy somewhere, na-emesilo onwe ihe ọ na-eme ike ka ụmụ nwere ike ịnọ n'ofu ebe ha ịma nata Nigeria anywhere hello. Well, I'm advising them to be careful before anywhere hello budo ha nwa na onwe ha. Because ndị Igbo na-asị na ịkwụrụ nwa onye ọzọ richa ugwu ọlịtuo na azụ gị ọjọọ bụ nna ya. Those are people na-eme mistake. Ha na-agbachitere ha na-agba Jpac ọgụ. I don't know why that guy has become such whatever I will call him. At this point, I don't know what to do. But I just wish him good. I just wish him good luck.
Hello. Hello.
Something.
Hello.
Hello.
My brother, I'm on a phone call. Go ahead. I'm on you. Oh, the man, I'm live program. Okay, no message this and the picture white house. Okay, all information I should get him. Okay, I feel should go shoot you no. Na village. I'm telling you honest. Matters are rising. Onye buputara nna m gwana m ya onye osi n'ụgbọ. Keep your word on me as well. Na mgbe na ụzọ ezi ọrụ agbawu onye homo. Na ya mere o ji aka ka nwaanyị. Zero. That's why one man. Okay. My brother, don't worry. Information about you, idiot. Oh, wait, that's just got him new one over. Sorry, oh. Okay, what I'm don't never.
Join us here to the age of Mapapa village. No more. Papia juru osi di na no even ma ọ bụ nwanne papia wee dị nke na-atụpụ onye ọnụ jere ọkpụkpụ na aha ọrụ last year si na ọ rụrụ ụlọ na village ọ na-eji dọkịta jere ụlọ peji ọkụkọ ahụ ọrụ openti blu.
Oh, so no man, I'm a Purian because you know, city war. Okay, man. Oh, then I never turn them on. So, God.
Yes, now, if just imagine.
No, my brother,
No, outside or Doma. I don't know what is wrong with that guy.
Professor, doctor, professor. Yeah, we're gonna go to. What go Jari?
Imagine.
Katuru, I want no shiji. They're gonna buy them.
Imagine.
Okay, Facebook, yare man. Oh, yare man. Jpac. Don't worry. You should be talking and them very well. I know tell you. Oh, good. Hey, Chineke. Onye amapụrụ iwu. No wonder. Oh my goodness. I get to know. I keep a benching them. Hey. When is there? Relax, son. With no information, listen to them. Jpac. Professor Timothy Okeke, may your soul keep resting in peace. So nna gị jeje zuo oshi ji amapụ ha. No wonder mpa gị jeje bifu ebe ahụ. Hey, Keke. Oh, you really gị. So bad the roll. Come here, catch with the hand. One card, dear boy. Only am I your former. Or someone you judge to keep resting in peace. Or just someone I jam To keep pressing there. One jack one naked gel one nugget. Oh, yeah? Baba can gel naked gel one nugget. I can gel naked gel one nugget. May boy a Spaniard rest in peace. I'm not going to get gel drinking. Guy on naked gel one nugget. One nugget, she rest in peace. I'm not hearing about it. You are Alan? Okay, man. Major Lumen Nam. Dan Nam's Rosh, I'm up here and you know Podo. Okay, man, like that. My man is Roshiji. I'm up here and you. Madonna, I'm a boon no fool. Baby, na Germany. Fun. Tapi you're trying to make it with me. The DNA gam rights. It's a really. Huh? It's a really. I talk about shit. To come shop, I'm going to here. You go to look how I'm going to have to get a job. Any barak, this live program, I'm 1 hour. You lose the weight, keep me back. In a lose, you ain't around inside down. Come on, the doctor, before let's again. Baby man, you're losing weight. Happy Mary man. Happy Mary man. Allow me to gain. I bet the man I'm here about because I'm friendly, me true life. You know my careless and I ain't no. Alright, block this on ocean, this criminal of idiot to you know this that criminal that girl lady said here every day create a new account. Always block. Don't like God. All one person. Only about 1 million Facebook accounts. Echime we gotta hear. Thank you. Echime yaro me abaye yaro me before. Thank you. Hey. Elabana. Mama be me aga mu abi wala mu. Ngama jamu wake you up. Bro ya ba. But all one mugija too big. Ojila bachana mom. Ojebe marry achoma. The thing is too big for my mouth. Yeah, look Okugo of Lagos is not massive at all. Massive baby, but you're not massive. Hello?
Hello, my man.
Nde what's up, Kekwan? I'm live.
Ọnwa ajụjụ m chọrọ ịjụ ndị iberibe a na-asụ Ogechi bata Naịjirịa. Ajụjụ m chọrọ ịjụ ha bụ ịbịa Amerịka ọ na-asọ ha nsọ? And o nwere ihe ọzọ m chọrọ atụrụ m ihe ọzọ Ogechi bata Naịjirịa ka igbucha na ndị niile na-egbu unu na Naịjirịa ahụ.
I don't know.
Ndị iberibe nwụrụ anwụ unu egbucha na ndị na-egbu unu na Naịjirịa.
I don't know. My brother, I don't know.
Ihe a na-agwa ndị mmadụ n'ala Igbo were unu egbucha na ha Ogechi bata Naịjirịa. Ọ bata Naịjirịa kịta ka o nwee ihe unu ya eme.
Ndị achọrọ igbu m by all means. They are looking for my head. By all means.
Jpac, one thing we know about all this kind of thing. Kine buputa mad, kine asfinu ni buputa mad, tamad ne wote you.
Agba she say sagamona ebidona people dey bupute ya very well. Agba don't worry, sagamona gibidon. I ga-ahụ ya. People will bring you out. You know, people that say, I don't have anything. Until Sage Bito. Back again, people go dig you.
If you come at the phone, kita, we put information about your family. You were not for that now. Okay, secondly, Ekirigina come, Kunu may peace. Give pota. Sina Gima Mado. Ana ha young man, Biko. Never can neteranya. If I can neteranya, see my this guy on my wife.
Brother, don't worry. I got it.
The buy to Rinusina, sorry. Anara Nonya. But only a mecon, my
Malazzo. Ribole, Jargonio, Mani will be one nail.
Ndị mmadụ ebe a ka netere anya wee conclude na this guy enwere sense ịnọ n'ala Igbo na-eme your business with the people na-afụ ihe na-destroy ebe isi eri nri asị na ihe Ogechi biko nwunye gị buru ata gị na which means na nwunye gị na-anụ gị
na
nwunye gị na-anụ gị.
Do you know, even when she talks so bitter, so arrogant, like, these people are just fooling themselves. Aren't wise. You can't deceive me with all this petty fake lifestyle. Lie.
The worst part, ndị mmadụ ana akwefu ndị Igbo anyị bụ ha matara eziokwu ekpuchie ya ụkwụ. Look at nwaanyị pụtara si na ihe imere ya. Imere ihe dị otu a. Why ndị be anyị ama mpụta otu a ha nọ kịta kpọọ ihe ọjọọ.
Ogechi anyị chọrọ anyị jekwu
ihe ọjọọ. Ịmakwa ihe mmadụ ịpụta dị otu si na imere m ihe dị otu a. N'onye ya mere m ji eme gị ihe a ị na-aga na akọ ihe ọzọ nọ maka akụza ya
and so what? Even if it's and so what? Then leave Akụ alone.
No.
That is it. Whichever one or
when
okay, my brother, I'm there. Well, thank you. It's been a while. Hello? Yeah, network.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. You want to go? So, man, no can just put on no laban. Well, because I remember. I wish you guys wouldn't get one thing this December. Because I know what I'm doing one yellow guy and one I have to be telling you guys, all of you will put up. Why do you think all these prostitutes Mahalawo Wanka How every hello China did not deep woman and they claim that they are married. Do you think they are happy? They are not happy. They are not happy. What I go? And when Harry, no matter how you trying to present happiness, look deep inside you. You are vacant. There is nothing in you that will say, "Oh, we hear the age of Roma." What again? So I'm a man. The majority of you one day wasted their lives from Nigeria to Malaysia for couples of years. What can happen? That spirit you hustle on the streets in Emegi for you to keep a man is a problem. For the be Italy, for the be Germany, for the be different part of the world. Or wouldn't I get what I got America? Or would dig it what I get? Just that you hustle your no way you hustle where people do. Do you know what it takes for a woman to hustle herself for be obodo yibo? Cross street maza. Do you think it's a joke? That woman even oban over baby or one day she from Ebu to America. I she from Ebu to America. Lagos I never go. Port I never go. Abuja I no go. Nothing I know. Now from Ebu we don't they go like JJC. Now so me and my sister. I galeba. Some of the documents are just that immigration woman in an interview that day. That woman was so nice. Just a child. Some of my documents I left it at home. I'm not going through life story. Yeah, the woman they make on the oh your sister document not complete. Maybe the woman she don't worry. I can see your father has been a resident. Your father is a citizen. She calm down. Your sister will not leave you behind. Hey, it's so pam. This is money. Oh my God. You want to go? I am not here. Jeto Abaje no. Jeto Kepete Lagos Jeto. No. Now that's Ebu from Ebu. I just so many. Bata. And I just all of the two travel places we have ever traveled in our lives. Me and my sister. Get on direct. So come on, I go back before that one Sabiawan. Yes. I want the money for force before that one Sabiawan. We don't know any other place. Oh, Jeubio, Josmani, Papa, Jobi, Unanyaga no Sanya to Mago so gas, Balata, I like a Mosumani, because the man will make it everywhere. Today. Na cracking through life story. Mba no so 4 o'clock Jela or everywhere. Man, a bit. Jamela go back to Ebu. Jamela go back to Mom. She had your nugget on her. She will get on her. She will get about what dear baby. He will tell me, and what none in my mother glory routine and number. Those 9 girls from my home. No chamadi. Within Imo State, Mama Bama Brother Lordi. And pushing Apagi Beranga, their Lordi. That is why my this Ngobala, one day my mother did there. All within the whole Imo State zone. None my mother out of 9 girls and 3 boys. Yabatawa na this place be Lord. Makachi, I'm gonna get the truth. I'm gonna get the truth. Who pass and parcel of Imo State, I don't know. Because I'm my all my mother's siblings' house. Hello, Chanadi within. None of my mother carry herself come enter many. No, Chineke but I alone because my papa can't they go Assemblies of God now. Can't see my mama. Look at mom shall clean the church and may this woman is good to marry. A bute a man has shown one year, a man love at one yashunanga home there. Yo, not true as they talk. I don't know any other place. Say you go Lagos, you go stay, you go Aba, you not lie. From Ebu, stay. I'm a JJC, we get brain. To pay my madam. My shower. That is why you don't see bleaching cream for my body. Because number one thing I shower they do now to rub bleaching for men, they see them. Now their number one thing they tell them, I got chapo nanya, I got chapo ke chanyu mukanya, I got chapo ke chanyu nanya, and I like in here buke. That one help you to tell bleaching. That's the first process of a shower. They're going to start. They change their skin, thinking they don't have the moral satisfaction in a mind. And I tell you the truth, when you let the bleaching lay and I have to be honest with you. That is the first step of a shower. And Gilende would go anti bag when they take chana tebaya, the who say wacha akam white. Very bloody useless set of people. Akona get until you come close to them. That is the sign of number one. I show. I fear those people. I'm no for that man. Okay, worry, okay, fake. You just have to be honest with you. Akona. I want to get omega. Gile why Jpac just learn vakayaka like this. Leia kaya domaka leia iga hu that the lady jila cream tepo wa na mad bleaching rubbing themselves useless set of people. Neka tegechi susuare gicha he ngega megamo different part of colors gile laps yake be green black bom gacho hebe white green ga who green fan e shiba day 1 2 3. Very useless set of people who I never seen in my life. Gikwashi, yeah. They get no more. They are dealing with my Chicago. Obula name peace. He said no be Chicago no go pay peace. No go come carry me from here. Somebody is bothered about the cold water I'm drinking. When no and go. Even game one over there, Bruce over a million yegi. I'm going the truth. And you guys scream. I tell you the truth. Guys scream. Nyegi cold water. Nyegi ice block. Okay, there. As it is now, ice water. That is how it is. We are used to it here. As it's freezing now, me and I go million. I know sometimes people say Dr. Magbabenum, I don't have no existing pre-existing condition. I don't get anything. So even insurance I just not for insurance because I don't even know why I have insurance and be paying such amount. Blue getting one of the best insurance. We pay high. That's and sometimes I wonder why I even pay insurance because I know they go hospital. And only when the kids are sick, you take them there. I know they beeping, even beeping they are no get. My husband they ask, which kind of person are you? Because everything science prove you are proving me wrong. I don't know. I've never seen anybody get puguka for 6 to 7 hours. And they butter, you act like nothing happened. Okay, why do you hate them, these women? Also, why do I hate which women? Okay, why do you hate them? No, English again, I don't even understand what she's saying. Okay, let me block this guy. I don't know why I can only ban you, Jerry Cola. I don't know why I can only ban you. I don't know why I can block you. Well, I'm trying to block you. Ban the app because yesterday I also banned you. Which kind of English you believe? I don't understand. Why do you hate them, these women? I'm confused. I don't hate anybody. I just don't like bleaching because the bleaching signifies a lot of things. Because I see no reason why EJ when low self-esteem. Bam Joronjo, do I have low self-esteem? Am I not ugly? I am ugly now. Looking at me, I'm ugly. But I don't care because you know why? I am married. I'm not looking for any man. I took a boyfriend, came out to girlfriend. So why am I bothered? I'm ugly. Come to go to out of millions of girls. I want to man they send a message today. What I go? No, no, doctor, more later. Doc, is you I want to see? Is you? Because Ugochukwu is very polite, very cool. You just like him for no reason. And then when men you just like him. Every patient want to go to attend to them. Every patient. He can. One about doctors are very arrogant in Nigeria. Hardly even know say Ugochukwu is a doctor. Hardly you even know say my husband is a doctor. I remember when I visited him in Nigeria. Twice I visited him. I went to the hospital labor manager because I was with the head doctor there. But you go do the brain, you know. So when we get the people way impact, say making the manager. But you na brain. That guy where you see. He doesn't talk much about she and no. Just have to be honest with you. Shaggy, my dad engaged Ugochukwu. When Ugochukwu want to ask my hand in marriage, my dad engaged Ugochukwu with conversation. Daddy make good no name. Because my dad did believe that if you don't have education, you don't, you know. Man, you are the son-in-law to be proud of. Now, in jail hospital, lotta like this, I go just the visit him, you know. I no gideba, mention him name, ma be no law that place. Because everyone when Hannah no, they have one doctors, porters, staff, midwives, so doctors, porters, those kind of things. So I go just go there. What has he been holding? Anyway, doctors, actually, no, please, can you sign me to see Dr. Vitalis? Can you sign me to see Dr. Ogechi? Can you? Yes, but the doctor that's supposed to see you is Dr. Emeka. Actually, I don't want to see Dr. Emeka. Hey! Mashi, please, can you guys tell him that? You go and tell them. Can they not so very I go just paplo say no, they cannot so for the he's busy. Say please, can you tell him that so person is looking for him? Oh, when he can have bad they will not tell him So now one of them go past, I go tell him, say please bear that somebody so person age yoji trying maka dinga da mana no nuzo ni che ha mashibi ya mpatazi she chai be sorry you how long have you been sitting here share if you allow couples of your nurses she have but nobody only this one came to them share no problem somebody coaches this is my wife please anytime she's here but oh madam we know if you tell us now we made an madam in the house so I go walk in I say I'm not again on go why is it the patient or liberation now waiting I say because you over nice you and they gave me doctors in there who wanna get as a problem always learn how to tell them go to somebody when you start seeing that who get jealous they be doing what I go but now you're the head and if that thing happens now you need to be telling them oh patients all I'm better than not go to reach and over now is it 2 years to a fault and Ojiri that attitude to be here that's why they like him here Ojiri the same attitude to be here very poor and Dob and Debeja like it for you to be so down Nigeria will be arrogant when nobody they send anybody sex Nigeria not they send you not does now here that Igadi loyal to a fault, Igadi humble to a fault. Kochko character here. That is why patient any love yeah. Hey, Ugo to the vacation. We are calling Ugo in Nigeria. Dr. Gochuk, please, what medication? Mandoro yao. She in on Nigeria and they send me. Shabe, man. Your character, man, is something to emanate, but I can't withstand many of it, John. Onye na way ya. Onye na Ugo. Onye Ugo cannot accommodate. Onye haputabe no wa. Ugo can accommodate any bag. In a bagodiri amba. You not even know. I just keep quiet. Very humble to a fault. But iwe Ugochukwu, you not like it. Ugochukwu iwe. Baby, I'm not gonna like Yako iwe. All the very nice. I try to respect him as much as I can. But if the father who mentioned I'm the tough, I'm not tough. I'm jovial to a fault. And I can go up back Igbo. He's nice, but don't step some certain area. You're not gonna like it. My people, Ogechi, you can't change it. One day when I will actually be very soon, I will stop you from social media. I did not argue. Can wait to look up in him name. I did not argue. You know what I did? Gochku is not somebody you can wake in the middle of the night. I tried because around 5-6 o'clock I would may say to him my own alarm. The thing they met them so yabuzo below yabuzo go news yagana Twitter yagana CNN yago Gochku reads a lot. Yamana hemega within the day. So mabe monitor ya go chini in the news ni no na go mabe share bole ya share mission no bole ani ekpere chibre ma share how are you mabe ramaya ka share enwe so he gbara man that thing no tegan ebe jigba gide ma be only ebe she is loving no eji be only you can go give it tegaki ngwaku share conversation I got up on social media. I think if I end up on social media, man, I'm going to into depression or no man. Actually, because at least God upon me full time. You know, social media has taken that space away from share no be anytime. Ishim shop on my blue app. Nama. That means you all am I should okay sobano. And this is the if you argue that time you must do it all. So I no respond, I no say anything. I should okay. So I'm and that was the time I just called him being up on this social media now. I should okay sobano. So one but na papa yes, I should cancel ban. Thank you. Thank you. Because if I reply at that moment, una this Facebook, not I instead of you to come and spend time with me inside the room. God no here. You cannot come. Let's talk how my work went. So when Medina Yo, Yadora major share actually me my life. I should okay so so Ugochukwu Baran Bamba just banket don't reply. Yo low bragging bag share no problem. Later target this time not okay. KJ don't argue with him. Oh, share no problems, okay. And that indicates Megan like women. But Ugochukwu gonna open my couple. I wake my couple up by 12 or by 1. Ugochukwu will never wake up. Don't even try it. I'm go down level na make him back. Ugochukwu no get up. So come get go again. Gigonye very well. The water go. Here no hold on go digi. Just umana 1-1. Mgbe pụgaziga gwa na ambulance buga gị. Si ya na ambulance ebula gị. Ugochukwu na-eji ụlọ egbu n'ụta. Naanị ihe ga-eji ibili ya na awa amụ m ga-aga mme ya na mgbụrụ ya amụ ọnụ kpụrụ ya amụ ọnụ kpụrụ ya. That one nwere ike iwe ki ya because ọ naghị jibe ama. But ya wụrụ ma ọ bara into sleep, deep sleep. No try am because you no go you only you no go walk. So my bag. Yeah, with the video I'm trying to post. So try. Hold on, let me post that video before I go to sleep. Come on, here I got the video. No. Shit, I forgot to know. The video I'm trying to post. Okay, let me see. I wanted to post this video. Oh, in a response to Seaman Global video, man. I'm replying to Jpac. Oh, it's preparing to do this. I got my mom do the video much. Pure download. Remember not today, waiting happen. Remember not today, waiting will happen. Remember not today, give me. Peter, today, waiting happen. My PA, my saga PA. Peter Onyenso, boo. Peter Onyenso, boo. My saga PA. I'm post to chat video now. I'm gonna bolo more because I need to sleep. They don't chop your account. Why? They don't chop my account. Oh, Magagene, Judas is. I shall walk. Korobotun thought. Eberi Majamini, who this Judas na mmadụ. Ị ga-asị na nwoke yo mami water. This guy machara mma. Hey, you see the Judas? The day I saw this guy, come on, that this guy, Shall Judas a poor, and that happy gidegi. Huma, fortunate, fortunate, no fine. Tofu, hey, the guy too fine. But my Germany, who you Judas? Hey, very quiet in speaking, gentleness. I don't understand. Very humble, very down. How to be all the rugged on comment section? Only I will read down to very fine boy. Hey, share bleach and who this guy in all Ushima Miriana. I saw him that day with you are Bia. Thank you, Mimi. How does this guy look like? Facebook happened on my car. What kind of trouble it is? When I get music, this guy, man, get put on a mother. This guy too fine. He too fine to a guy. Person fine. This guy fine. My mother and mama or mama. Hey, but I'm Jibana. This fake account they make people look so ugly. This fake account, hey, fake account they make you don't look like who you. When you are a man, that's not fine, bro. So forth. When I can post a video, I'm agent them that many years now. Need to sleep. Nah, guys, all the I got tomorrow. Oh, I'm lucky with some of them. I'm lucky with some of them. Onye na-eme m dịka di m ọma, di m ọma, di. I love. Oh, child. Child, nwa gị nke amakakwa ahụ. Child. Ee. Ị na-ahụkwa njinji ejiela. Chi were abalị jee. Oh, wow, I got a lot of things you post too. No, what's your media home? It's massive, baby. It's not massive on the Ikugu side, though. Child, Ikugu is not massive on your side. Why now? It's supposed to be massive, baby. I'm working in on. Ogechi made that in Ikugu, man, Ikugu. All of them they do. Then they do them, they do. Now, guys, can happen.